Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on popular geometry problems. A special puzzle to warm up the brain cells is on the next slide. The answer will be given at the end. Enjoy. What is the meaning of the following? Good luck with it and see how you go. You will have an opportunity to subscribe to my channel at the end of the video. You are also invited to share this video with your friends. Thank you in anticipation. This video will highlight some very popular geometry problems and will clarify the important rule associated with each problem. Here is our first problem. Find the value of the pronumeral in each of the following. Now our first problem, we see here we have a 90 degrees, ABC is 90. In other words, x plus the 40 must equal 90. So x is 90 minus 40, so x is 50. So that's one of the easiest problems you can get. And remember that a right angle equals 90 degrees. Our next problem, we have to find x, and here we have a straight line. From A to D we have a straight line. Now we have to remember that the straight line from A to D makes a full 180 degrees. So x plus the 42 must be 180, so x is 180 minus 42, so x is 138. That's another very popular problem. Here's our third problem, similar to this one, except we have three angles to contend with. So x plus 30 plus 50 is 180, so x must be 100. Here we're talking about the full revolution, which equals 360 degrees. That's like a circle, 360 degrees. So when you add those three angles together, we have 360 degrees. So that means the value of x must be 360 minus 120 minus 85, and that's 155 degrees. Here is one of three very popular problems where the transversal cuts across two parallel lines. X and 140, they're called corresponding angles, so they're equal, so x must be 140. Corresponding angles mean they're in the same position. See there and there? They look like they're in the same position. Here we have co-interior angles. They're inside the parallel lines. So they're supplementary, which means that they both add up to 180 degrees. Which means x must be 40. Here we have alternate angles. Now alternate angles are equal. So if they're both equal, then x must be 45. Here's our very famous problem with a triangle. The three angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So x plus 95 plus 45 is 180, so x is 40 degrees. Here is another very popular problem where the exterior angle of a triangle, which is this one, equals the sum of the two interior opposites. So this angle here equals the sum of this one and that one. So x is 42 plus 93, which is 135. The equilateral triangle, which has the three equal sides, that means each of these angles must be equal. So because we have 180 degrees for a triangle, 180 divided by 3 gives you 60 degrees. So each angle is 60 degrees. Here we have an isosceles triangle because those two sides are equal. In other words, that angle plus that angle plus that angle is 180. So x must be 70 because 70 plus 70 is 140. Plus 40 is 180. The base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. With respect to the quadrilateral, the four angles add up to 360 degrees, so x must be 95 degrees because the interior angles of a quadrilateral add up to 360. These angles here are called vertically opposite angles, and they're two straight lines, obviously crossing at a point. So x must be 110 because the vertically opposite angles are equal. If you have a rhombus where those four sides are equal, there, there, and there, those four sides are equal. That's a rhombus. The diagonals of a rhombus intersect each other at 90 degrees. So x must be 90. And finally, for the parallelogram, where the opposite sides are parallel, the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal, so that angle is equal to that one, so x must be 70 degrees. Here's a quick quiz to help you, and please check through the video at any time. What is the meaning of the following? Tenures. How clever is that? There's your clue. I think you might understand that if you think about it. Here are the answers to the quick quiz, and the video is at your disposal. If you found this video useful, please subscribe on the next slide. You will receive a notification when the next video is available. Please share with your friends. Hope to see you next lesson.